Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you guys are doing great. Today I'm back with another amazing recipe. It's a lamb chop recipe. Hope you guys are going to like it and please subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. First of all, take a pan and add lamb chops in it. And these are 1 kg. Then add chopped onion. I took 1 big size onion. Add 1 teaspoon salt. Then add 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric. And then add 2 glasses of water. On the flame now. Cover the lid now and bring the water to boil. Once the water starts boiling, let it cook for 30 minutes and make sure the meat is tender. Once check the meat is tender, then dry the water. And we are done here. Moving to the next step. Now take a bowl and add 1.5 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Then add 1.5 teaspoon of red chili powder. 1.5 teaspoon coriander powder. 1.5 teaspoon whole spice powder. 2 teaspoons of tandoori masala powder. Now adding 2 crushed green chilies. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Then add half cup yogurt. Now mix everything very nicely. And at last add some green coriander. It's around 2 to 3 tablespoons. Now add the chops in the mixture. And mix everything and make sure that all the chops are covered in the mixture very nicely. And now leave them aside for 30 minutes. We're gonna marinate it. Then take a pan, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil and heat it. And then just add your chops in and fry them. And you can just apply the leftover mixture on the chops just like this. Now cover the lid and let it cook for 5 minutes on low flame. After 5 minutes, change sides and cook until the chops are golden brown for both sides. And you can add some oil if needed. So we're done. This is how the chops should look like. Now I've put them in a pan all together for the smoky effect. So take a foil and put it in the center and add a heated charcoal and add some drops of oil on top of it and immediately cover the lid. Just leave it for 2 to 3 minutes. And we're done. Our chops are ready to serve. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you really like my video, please don't forget to like, comment and share, and please subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time. Take care. Bye.